Okay, I think we're live. So I just came up with an idea today, which we have this status bar here, and I want to make it to put the stream message here. So yeah, so I will create one status bar configuration for my daily use and another status bar configuration for when I'm streaming. So I can put any message here and anyone that is coming to the channel can see the message there. So it's not that a big of a deal, but yeah, I think it's a good thing to stream. Why not, right? So let's go. I think it's in config, i3, i3 status, and we have a config file there. So here is our configuration. And this is the current configuration that we have here, down here, right? So yeah, this is it. So I want, first of all, let's go into this folder and make a copy. This is config dot, I don't know, I will call it not streaming, or I don't know, daily. And I will do another copy stream. So one is for normal use without streaming, and the other configuration is for stream. Then I can make a bash script to swap between them. Yeah, I don't know if it's a good idea. I think it is. Okay, so never mind for now. Let's let's start changing the config. So right now, what the fuck? Right now, my message is this one. It's this one. So I want to show this here. So what can I do? I can do, okay, I can make it like this, but I just can show a message. So let's see if we can wireless first, Ethernet first. Why they are not showing, I have no idea. We should have this message, but we don't. We have, okay, the first of the message is disk, then is CPU, then is battery. What is the right order? So let's go to the documentation. i3 status bar. i3 status bar. What's that? i3 status. Yes. Why this is one? Status. I don't know. Okay, so Yeah, it's a config file, I know that. Configuration. The basic idea is that you can specify which modules should be used. The order directive. Okay, so you can then configure each module with its own section. For every module, you can specify the output format. See below for a complete reference. So we have general, which it tells general configuration, I think. It's output format, if it has colors or not, and the interval. So yeah, so we have colors and we have interval, which is every 5 seconds. It gets updated there every 5 seconds. That's fine. Then we have the order directive that specify which module should be used. Okay, so I have some modules here that should be used. But where do I know? How do I know which order they will be drawn? Because I don't see, because I have here Ethernet, but I don't see anything in the Ethernet. Oh, because I don't have, no, I have it. If it's down, if it's up. Yeah, I see. I don't have Ethernet, so if Ethernet is down, I'm right now I'm connected through wireless. So it was supposed to show this, but it's not showing this because it's commented out. Then it was supposed to show the Ethernet, but I'm connected through wireless, so it doesn't show anything. Then it goes to battery, right? I mean, no, it goes to disk, and disk has this config. Then it goes to CPU usage, but I don't see CPU usage here. Why is that? Oh, that's CPU usage, not battery. It's this the symbol here is like a battery, but battery is this one. This is a bad this is a bad symbol for the CPU. So I think it's this thing there. If I put like this, and I think I can start. Not really. Yeah, so one way to see the changes is to open another terminal, and we can execute i3 conf status, I think. Yes, so here, every 5 seconds it will be updated here. We can put this here. We can do like this. Yeah, like this. I think it's, yeah, so, oh, I don't want this. I want this to be on top always. Yeah, so I can do this, like, okay. Right, so let's change this. Which symbol is that? Which symbol is that one? It's like an iPod. Oh, it's a tower. It's a CPU tower. You know? Yeah. It's a bad one. This is a bad one. So let's change it. Here it is, CPU usage. Here it is. So let's just put CPU. So it will become pretty clear. Right, CPU like that. Let's update. Yeah, CPU. Yeah, good. All Okay, so I think we just put some order plus equal, I don't know, message. Let's see if it works like that. I don't think so, but let's try it. Anyways, message. And this is format up equals some message like that. It doesn't make sense. It won't work. It won't work, but let's try it. So save it. Then, yeah, no such option message. Good. So I can safely put in here. Like I will comment this out, and I comment this because I have wireless. Oh, and I have an error somewhere. No, I have the message. Yes. And I'm exposing the name of my Wi-Fi, whatever. Okay. Let's update this. Yeah. See? So I don't want this. I can remove this like so. Then I like that it's in green because this is wireless first. Wireless. Oh, we can have multiple things like this. So maybe if I put wireless message and I put here the same thing, maybe, and this will be message that will show only if this is up, and I can repeat the same here to work as well if it's down. So it doesn't seem to work. It doesn't seem to work. Yeah, it don't work like that. So let's read more. You see here is wireless. Okay, let's go to wireless, for instance. I don't care about this right now. We have some, okay, IPv6 disk. Okay, I can use IPv6 disk wireless. Oh yes, special interface name first. Okay. So let's see, internet, battery, CPU temperature. We are not using CPU temperature, so we can use that to tell our message. Yeah, I think it's a good idea. So this will be CPU temperature. Then the thing, the number of the CPU, 0. I mean, really? Yes, 0. Then you can take this and put it here, right? I think yes. Maybe this needs to be like that. I don't know, maybe not. Then we can say format. We can say format, just format, and message. And we can try to run it. Yeah, you can see here. Good. That's really nice. So we can say now the content. We can say this. Copy. Say here. Right. Nice. Scripting i3 status bar. I like it. But I can, yeah. So that's good at all. We figured this out, how it works. Then I can put a bunch of spaces here. Yes. So I think I will make a script to change this as a command line argument. Or even I can make a C program to do that. So it's more fun. It's more fun, maybe. Yeah, I think it is. But it's a bit overkill to do a C program just for that. Let's do a script. Let's do a bash script. Let's do a bash script for that. So what I want to is let's create right here. Okay, let's open configure again and let's create i3. How do I call it? I can call it good name for this. i3 status is already taken. So maybe it's i3 status change i3 status. I don't know, change. We can change that later. Then we do bin bash. Let's do that for now. Then we can say, I will take the first argument and it will be the title. Yeah, I would do like that. Title would be the first argument. If it doesn't have the first argument, it will change back to the normal, to the daily configuration, i3 status configuration. So I always forgot how to check bash scripts. How to check if there is a one argument. Yep. This is any argument. Yeah, I want that. I can check if an argument is empty string or not. Minus Z switch will test if the expansion of one is a null string or not. If it's null string, then the body is executed. Okay, this is perfect for our case because we just do like this. Sorry, like this. Here is no arguments applied, so we change it back to the original code. which is config config i3 status. I mean, for the home folder, and config daily, config daily, config daily. It will be our config, like that. Otherwise we have to go inside this file, change this line to put the title that we want. This is the challenging part. This is the challenging part. But we need to do that, and we can do that with a bunch of sed operations, like how to change. Okay, so how to change one specific line in bash script. How to change a specific line in bash, specific line of a file in bash script. Sed, yes, I knew we would need to use sed. So you search, oh, okay. Okay, you just search for the thing and you, okay, that's pretty straightforward. So, but this, we have to search for the whole, but I don't, just command sentence modify this. Yeah, but I don't want to search for the whole line because it will be changed. I just have to know is change the syntax to set this set value that you want to less explicit right enable to way. Search term, yeah, no, I don't want this. It's almost this. It's almost this. So maybe we can look at the sed help. That's the main page for sed. Yeah, because yeah, we can use regular expressions to do that. You know, because if I do, let's try one thing. Let's quit this. Let's do sed. Let's search for how is the syntax? Yeah, you put, okay, but I don't want to replace just to search. So let's test within Vim. Let's test within Vim. I do in the whole document, I want to search. This is asset rejects. I want to search for wireless or maybe temperature. It automatically replaces. Okay. So, so it's not a good way of doing that. No. Specific line. This is good. Is using Perl. Okay, yeah. Okay. Yeah, but not good. What is this 5? Okay, you want to put good morning on the 5th line. This is nice. Okay, to replace of the fifth line. Okay, this is good to know, but I have to know the line number. And I know it's always be the same. It will always be the same. So yeah, okay, we have this already. And then let's try it. Let's try it. Let's say, okay, this is line 25. This is line 25. So we can do like, I mean, we can do like this. This is title. Title. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces. And this file here is, first I have to, okay, I have an idea. First I have to copy the streaming. It is streaming or stream. Streaming. After that, I do this. But then maybe I can put here something like that. And this is 25. I can put here like title to be changed. And then here we just need to put this. Like so. Like that. And then this file is this. And I think that's it. I don't know if, yeah, I think that's it. Right? So we first, if there's no argument, we just copy the daily to as our config. But if there is a title, then we copy the stream as our config, and then we change it. So I just need to put this here in our streaming, sorry, thing. And I need to do this whole thing. It's not here. It will be here, and this is here. This is here, and this is here. That's it. It's ugly, but it will work. Let's quit everything. Let's reload it. Okay, so we are back to our original thing. Let's get config head. Let's get config. So yeah, because we deleted. So if we do, let's change it to plus x t i3. Yeah, this one. Then we just call it without any arguments. Okay, cannot. Such file directory. What? Really? Oh, because it's between quotes. No need for that. And vim, i3, blah, blah, blah. No, it's not. What's happening? What is happening? Why? Cannot start. But if I do some test, yes, so okay, the if is working because without any arguments, it's trying to copy the daily one. But if it has an argument, it's trying to copy the streaming one. No such a file. Maybe ls, maybe this is, I have to put a slash dot. Yes. Yes. ls like this. Right? Yes, 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 yes. That's what's wrong. Slash is here. Slash is here. Here. And here. Yes. Okay. Can't read. No such file directory. No, really? So let's say get config. Yeah, it copied correctly. We just couldn't do this title to be changed. Title test. Can't read. Oh, because it's wrong there. It's wrong here as well. Like that. Error. Oh, okay. We need to save it back to, because it is printing. It's printing not correctly. It's not printing correctly. How do I? Maybe let's try to put one. I don't think it make any difference. Yeah, it didn't. It didn't make any difference. Okay. Maybe if we do this and this and escape this. Yes, perfect. So we don't need to copy. We don't need to copy. We don't need this because we just need to redirect. This is streaming. This will be config. Like so. Okay. Yes. Success. let's see test here. So now we can do, let's put here configuring i3 status bar, and we reload it. Yeah, of course, because it has space, it has to be like this, and we just need to reload it. That's terrific. That's really good. It's working, but I would like some color here to bring more attention, and maybe we need more spaces. I will add more spaces. So then I want to change it back. Just do this. I reload it, and it went back to the original one. So our script is working flawlessly, which is nice. Which is indeed really, really, really nice. So I don't need this. I don't need this. And I can put more these spaces after that. 1, 2, 3. Let's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 10. So let's put 20. Then I do this. Maybe I can refresh automatically after that. Yes, so not refreshing. Not refreshing. You know, I have to manually refresh it like that. But I think we have a command in i3 to do that. Maybe just i3 bar, maybe just transparency. Okay, no. How to refresh i3? Oh, sorry, i3 help. Pass plain text arguments. We interpret them as comment. Okay, so I don't know. Let's do this. How to refresh i3 by command line. Yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, I remember that. Message reload. Yes, that's it. So we just put this in our config. After that, we do i3 message reload, then here as well. And here is exit, I think. Let's do nothing. Success true, not refreshing. It didn't actually refresh anything, but now I can do. Am I streaming? I think I am. Yeah, I started recording here by accident. Okay, so a test. Yeah, it seems to be refreshing, but not really. Not reload, restart. So what's the difference if I do this and do i3 message reload? No, but if I do restart, yes, I have to do restart. Restart, and then restart. Yeah, so let's do one more time. So I'll put here that's all, folks. Ha, quote. What's that? Quote. Am I missing something? Oh yes, I missed this. That's perfect. Then if I do this, that's it. But I don't like this shit. So maybe I just do this. Yeah. I don't care about any output because I can't immediately see if it works or not. Perfect. We still have lots of, I don't know what's up with that. And test. Yeah, but I think it's fine. I don't know what's that. Okay, I think it's fine. We did it, but let's try to make some, let's try to show some colors here because I really like it. Okay, it's supposed to define a max threshold in red if it's too hot. Okay, so we can set the threshold to, I don't know, a really low temperature, then it will always be red. Like not here, but rather in the config. It's in the streaming. So we can remove this. No, we can leave it like that. We can say here below that, we can say max threshold would be 42. And we can do like, so yeah. So it's always in red. I think, yeah, it's good. But I really would like a green or a blue, not a red. So maybe CPU temperature is not a good one, but maybe you can change the color. Let's color. Color bed. Yeah, just CPU usage, you can define the color. I think. Memory, you can define the color as well. Load as well. The color directive is disable colors, you can set to false. You can also specify the colors that will be used to display good, degraded, or bad values using color good, degraded, color bad directives respectively. Those directives are only used in color support. Oh, to input format color values in the canonical RGB triplets. Okay, so maybe we can do color bad in temperature. Let's try it. Color bad. Let's do good. Let's do bad. And what else? And degraded. Let's do it. All of them. Let's do all of them. Degraded. And all of them will be. This is green, green, green. Okay. Save it. Let's run it. Yeah, green. Green. Let's see if a blue is a good one. I think it is. RGB. So this is 00 FF, FF, FF. Nah, it's not. So yellow is red and green, right? Yellow is red and green. I think. So I will just do this because I think it's only bad matters. F. Okay, yellow is, I think it's perfect. That's really nice. Indeed, that's really nice. Yeah. Okay. We did it. We did it. We fucking did it. And I just need to put this in my path. What I really like to do is not put on the path, is create a link. So I just do this, config, i3 status, and I put here in USRP. I do this. Then I do that and just call i3 status change. It's already here, you know, and then I just put something, and that's really nice, like so. Maybe that's up, doesn't like this, and maybe I forgot to put this. That's really nice. Yeah, I don't like this sh at the end, so I will just do this r bin i3 status change to r bin i3 status change, like that. Of course, I can do anything. So I don't need this anymore. That's really nice. What's up with that? What's up? That's really nice, Nika. That's really Nika. Yes. Good. And then go back to normal. Okay, that was really quick and a really nice one. So thank you. Thank you for watching. Bye.